Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm going to be making some carrot juice for you guys. Alright, so I got some carrot yesterday, and I'm also going to be using for the milk I'm going to be using coconut and almond. For my spice I'm going to be using some nutmeg, vanilla, mixed spice, and cinnamon powder. Right, so stay tuned, let me show you how to get it done. Now you could go ahead and blend your carrots, but I believe to get the most from it I'm going to be using a juicer. I've extracted all the carrot juice, so what I'm going to do now is to blend together the almond and the coconut, right? Alright, so we're going to leave some of the coconut milk in this, and we're going to add the carrot juice. Look at that, guys, how amazing it is looking, right? Look how rich it is, my God. So what we're going to do now is to just flavor it up. So adding now some vanilla, a little mixed spice, cinnamon, and the boss of the show, nutmeg. Can just give it a little stir. Guys, the aroma, oh my God, it is so lovely. I wish you guys could smell it. Now you can go ahead and add whatever sweetener you like. I'm going to be using some agave, and you can sweeten to taste, right? Guys, it tastes so nice. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good. Guys, what I forgot to tell you, you can add a pinch of salt to this just to bring up the flavor a little. Alright, so you can just put your carrot juice in the fridge to chill and you can have it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.